Hey guys, welcome to my client's crib. We just finished moving them in. Let me show you around. So my client's been building this home for almost 3 years. It's a little under 10,000 square feet under roof and then a couple more thousand square feet of garage space. Can't wait to show you. Let's get started in the little girls' room. They have 2 precious little girls and they have their own living space before we enter into their bedrooms. Let me show you what we did behind all the cabinets. A whole art situation here. Everything's labeled, everything has a bin. We're lucky to work with some amazing designers in our area, and so I can't take credit for any of the pretty furniture and the artwork. They were able to pick all of that out, had it installed before we got here, and then we bring all of the clients' actual stuff and we make that look beautiful too. Let's check out the girls' bedrooms. This is the oldest daughter's room. They obviously love pink. Everything's super girly. When we're unpacking and moving a client into a home, this is the finished look that you get. Everything's hung on the walls, everything's put away, the bed is made, they can come in and it's like they've lived here for years. We're organizing every single detail. So we have a drawer for get ready in the morning, brush your teeth. Every single thing that they own that's special to them is inside the space put away. Let me show you the little girl's closet. Is this not a kid's dream? Every single thing is here. We have the cute pink hangers. It all matches. We're super intentional about picking the right product to make the space look good. So we have the white Montauk bins here with a white clip and a shoe wall, because what child doesn't need a proper shoe wall? Let's go check out the other little girl's room. This is the toddler's room. Again, pink, so cute. Like I said before, the beds are made, things are hung on the walls. They're ready to sleep here and enjoy their space. Everything inside the drawers is organized, folded perfectly. Let me show you the closet in here. Have you seen a cuter little toddler shoe collection? It's beautiful, but it's not just to be beautiful. We want it to be functional. We want the client to be able to come in here and dress her child to be able to see what she actually has. And also we're placing it to make it make sense. All the tennis shoes are together, the boots are together. They love bows and holidays. So all of that's together. And then we separated out game day bows, holiday headbands. There should not be anything that's hard to find in this space. Everything has been thought through specifically with these clients in mind. So socks, underwears, pajamas, everything is hung up, matching little clips. The most beautiful views when you wake up and go to sleep in this space. So our movers moved all of the furniture in, the designer hung art on the walls, we have the beds made, the nightstands are put away, everything is just how it came from the other house. They're ready to sleep here on their first night in their home. Master bathroom, so much natural light and a lot of echoing sounds, and looks so beautiful. On our moving process, we are talking to our clients about how they use things. This specific client has a bathroom here, but also a vanity in the closet that I'll get to in a second. So all that she needed in this space is her daily face wash, take your makeup off, not every single thing that she's needing. So we're customizing it to the client. Her kids brush their teeth in this bathroom, so they all have a spot as well. And then he has all of his things over here. We've got a shaving drawer instead of a hair dryer drawer, a little bit different than we normally do. And then all of his daily things as well. Wait until you see the master closet. Come with me. There is so much more space than this client has ever had in their home before. Like I said, they've been building this home for 3 years. So they thought about every single detail and the things that they owned and how it was gonna fit in the space. Then it was our job to actually make it fit. So we have her area, since she's getting ready over here. Here's all of her daily, everyday wear. Everything's hung up beautifully on a hanger, it's labeled. This is really the main get ready area, because who wouldn't want to get ready in this glam closet? So we put all of her accessories. We've got jewelry here, and then a hair drawer. So she's doing her hair in this space. All of her beautiful Chanel jewelry, a makeup space, and then we had to have a moment for the accessories. all of their clothes are in the closet, nothing's in the bedrooms. Everything's divided, folded, color-coded, so everything has a spot. We've got workout stuff together, workout sets folded together, leggings, everything has a place. Shoes are a major feature in this closet, and we also group them by like things. So all of her wedges are together, the boots, and then if you look at the top, he loves to collect Jordans. So we have them separated by type as a display. His favorites are all together. His favorite daily wear shoe is a Converse, and so we gave that a whole moment of its own over here. And then his island drawers are on this side, also separating by category. We have all of his ties and accessories. All right, a fun design element about this house is that the laundry room is attached to the master closet. So let's go check that out next. There's more than enough room in this laundry room for everything that they have, and we have so much empty space in here. All of the medicine in the house, instead of being in the pantry, which is on the other side of the house in this space, we put everything in one area here. It's by the master, it's by the kids area, so they can find everything that they need. And then we're micro sorting within this category. So if someone has an allergy, it's in cold and allergy. If they have a stomach problem, first aid, everything is sorted so it's easy to find. They know exactly where it's at. We'll stop at the wine room. Temperature controlled. This is the guest bedroom. We brought all the furniture in, put everything up. The designers hung all of the artwork, but everything's put away. Looks beautiful. This house has two separate unique garages. This is their main garage. This is where they're parking, coming in, kids' shoes. This is the functional mudroom, and I'll show you the next one in a second. Welcome to the butler's pantry of my dreams. They designed this so beautifully, and so we wanted to take it the next step, and we're gonna add product that matches the space and just takes it up a notch. Let's look behind the cabinets. So we did an entire drink area over here. So adult cups, this is the ice maker. All the kid cups are down here. Coffee machine, accessories. Just like in the closet, we're thinking about zones and function. We're not just unpacking boxes and putting stuff away. Whenever we can, we love to put coffee mugs down low. We're using a bamboo divider to divide everything out. You can see everything that you have. You're not digging for something in a cabinet. Makes it a lot easier. No stone is left unturned. We're even organizing the fridge, filled everything with all of the kids' snacks in the butler's pantry, lunch making, grab a drink to go, everything's here. This is the space the kids really care about. This is where all of the snacks are. They did these great pull-out drawers, but if you don't contain it and do something, it'll all just get shoved in there and get lost. So we used these bins from the Home Edit, and it keeps everything fresh. You can see everything that you have. We don't usually label snacks like this because I just want it to be able to interchange with what you want to eat then. In the pull-out drawers, you want to be able to divide it. So we're using a bamboo divider so it's not all just thrown in there and becomes messy. And then if you go to Sam's Club, Costco, you know, there's always way more than this inside of a box. So we're always gonna make a backstock basket at the top of a pantry, whether it's a tower pantry or a walk-in pantry with some baskets. And then don't forget your Hello Happy Home bin clips right on our website. Let's go check out the kitchen. One of the first things we wanted to do to elevate the space is put down a liner to protect the painted areas. So we used exact mats here, which is barely noticeable. It lays flat, protects your painted spaces. Everything's organized again by zone. It's like the keyword of the day, zones. We've got all of the cups together, glassware for the wine that's right around the corner. And then inside all of the drawers, everything is sorted. Everything's put down inside of a bin. Nothing's gonna get lost. Easy to cook. We've got all the pots and pans together. And then over here, they had this cool feature built in. So all of their spatulas, nothing has to be on the counter. Whenever we're thinking about zones again, the dishwasher is right here. So we're putting away plates, bowls, and then your silverware. We love to use these Ziploc organizers, get rid of all the messy boxes and everything fits down inside. It looks like a built-in in the drawer. And then over here, For a deep drawer, we use this for a lot of their appliances. We're dividing it with a deep bamboo divider so nothing's rolling around and just getting tossed. So we had the fridge and freezer in the butler's pantry. We also have one out here in the kitchen. Since we have so much space, we moved everything, spread it out, and made it look like a designer fridge. Here's that second garage that I was telling you about. He loves motorcycles and all things cars. So this is a mudroom for him. And then this will be finished a little bit later. The only thing that's gonna be in this space is cars, motorcycles, ATVs, kind of think a showroom space. There are 2 hidden closets where we put holiday decor and garage stuff. So this one's coming soon, stay tuned. Welcome to their own little speakeasy area. They've got pool table, card table, and this beautiful bar. Really what we're doing in this space is making sure all the furniture is placed correctly. We have glassware, barware, and drinks. I think they're still gonna fill this space, so it's a little to be determined, but who wouldn't wanna hang out here on the weekend? We're gonna check out one more space, but let's head outside for that. This space is a work in progress. We even have painters over there still touching up. They're going to be purchasing all new gym area. They didn't have it before in their last house. This is brand new. We placed the products that'll go in this space, but eventually this will be an ice bath. There's a sauna over there. All right, that's it for the tour. It's time for you to go. But before we do that, let's check out the outdoor space. Beautiful self-cleaning pool right here. A zero edge infinity hot tub, little amphitheater space. When most people move into their home, they like to say, home, sweet home. But we like to say, hello, happy home. Now it's time for you to get out of here.